Umlisa ke ukhuluma kule video uqhathanisa uPresident Ramaphosa noPresident Jacob Zuma. Uthi izinto kuyizona uPresident Jacob Zuma amosha ngazo inkandla namagupta. Ubese beka nombono wakhe ukuthi ubona ngathi uPresident Ramaphosa owamosha kakhulu ukudlula uPresident Jacob Zuma waseyibeka nezathu ezimenza ukuthi asho lokho.
Yebo ke. Yazi sometimes kuyafuneka inyani ke siyiface le nto reality. Sinabantu babini apha eSouth Africa. Former President Jacob Zuma, noRamaphosa. And then uZuma sithi basithethayo sithi umoshile lo mfo. And then amongst us moshileyo sibala masiqale ngenkandla. Masibale bathi intoni lento state capture Kuqhathaniswe. And then sithi hayi uZuma is bad. And then noRamaphosa. uRamaphosa, in my opinion, ndiya suspect ba umoshe ngaphezulu koZuma. uZuma xa sithetha ngenkandla, first of all, sithetha nge-security upgrades in his homestead. And when we gather information, we find out about kulamali kuthiwa 250 or 246, whatever you want to say. uZuma was guilty of la 46 isecaleni, and kula 46 was guilty of plus minus 9 million. That is wa benefit nakhona akuthiwa mhlambi wayintshontsha wa benefit, as according to PP at that time benefited. Then you must see Kuqhathaniswe leyo ke amasa sabekwe langeni ngento yayo. But up until to date, akho nto ephathekayo pertaining to Kuqhathaniswe. All right. Masiyeke kwi-favorite yabantu bonke, uRamaphosa. Marika, that's number one. Masize kwilentos kwimali esephalaphala eyayifixwe zimatrasini. Fine yakhe as a dispute lonto. There's nothing wrong with having a foreign currency. However, ithi into xa une foreign currency ngohlobo ayinayo ngalo lo mfo kuRamaphosa befama you kuthiwa intoni lanto you declare. He did not declare. That's crime number one. He takes our resources ayenamibia ayolanda abantu akidnap. That's another charge, kidnapping and tortures. That's a charge. And I take you 500 billion, which is unaccounted for up until today. And then you come and tell me, but I must hate Zuma so much and love this one. Almost the woman in an element of witchcraft was no, there's nothing that justifies Jacob Zuma and then are relaxed when it comes to Ramaphosa. And again, and favorite. I don't care about them, but what I care about is the facts and the truth. Like